Hey guys, it's your girl Tony and I am back with another YouTube vlog. Today's Saturday, September 13th, an eventful day. I have a few things on the agenda. I'm already dressed and ready to go. But yeah, I just want to say I missed YouTube. I miss creating vlogs and stuff like that. But yeah, let me show you guys the outfit of the day. This is what I'm wearing today. My dog, say hey Riley. Say hey gal. Hey. She all in her feelings because she knows I'm about to go. So back to the outfit of the day. This is what I'm wearing. I got this cute dress. It's one of my favorite dresses. I got it recently from Ross. And I'm just wearing some sambas and a hat because today was a bad hair day for me. But yeah, guys, so I'm doing a bunch today. Like, just a bunch. I want to say I'm going to Dilly Dally, but I really need some things. So, well, I don't know where I'm going first, but I know I need to just kind of like run some errands. Y'all just come with me. Just come with me. Let's go. First stop is Dollar General. About to go to the household items, grab some deals. So let's see. This is the stuff that I got. Hopefully I can score some deals on it, but I need to pick up a few more things. All right, y'all, now I'm at Kroger. I'm about to run in here and see if I can grab me some laundry detergent. Laundry detergent was buy one get one free.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk.
I was not lying when I said I had a bad hair day, so don't talk about my hair. But y'all, I have made it home. I am currently just kind of whipping me up something to eat. Got some chicken in the air fryer, and I just wanted to kind of show y'all what I got on today's trips. Yeah, let's start off with the Arm & Hammer. Kroger had Arm & Hammer. I used Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, and they had it buy one get one free, so I grabbed 2 of these. And let's see, I went to Dollar General, and Dollar General has like a bunch of deals. Like, I've been trying to like coupon a little bit more just to kind of like stock up and save, but I'm not sure technically if I know I got a good deal. It's just I didn't do it the right way. So normally I follow people and I'll try to get everything that they get so that I can make sure to stay within that price range. But this time I did my own little coupon, my stack coupon thingy, and they didn't have one of the items, so that's what kind of like threw me off. And yeah, I spent $16.03, which I think is really good. It says I saved $13.50. So yeah, that's pretty good. I got some Dawn dish liquid. So I got the power wash spray with the regular dish liquid, and this is what I use normally. And this is the Power Suds, and it's a bigger version. So I'm excited about these two because I'm sure I won't have to buy laundry detergent for a few months, honestly. So that's all I'm trying to do, is just kind of like save money. I got this Colgate toothpaste, and these were basically buy one get one free because it was $4 off, and it cost $4 each. So $4 for both of these. That's pretty much all I got for like household items. However, you get $5 off when you spend $25, and I did get some Airwick plug-in, but it didn't pick up the discount, so that was a bummer, and I didn't want to pay full price for the plug-in, honestly. So I just went and grabbed some other stuff that I just needed. I grabbed these roll-on perfume oils. It's Thai coconut, and I seen this girl on TikTok talking about it. She said it smelled really good, so I was happy that I seen it in that store because I went looking for it before and I didn't see it. But I'm gonna just keep one of these in my purse. And yeah, it smells really good actually. Just kind of like something very chill and fruity, very girly. Gets very much girly. Like, I just love it. So I'm gonna put one in my purse, and these were $1, so you can't beat that. And I grabbed 2. It was the last 2 that they had, so I grabbed these 2. And then I grabbed me some scissors, and I just went on the dollar aisle. My coworker was telling me, she was like, you need to go look on the dollar aisle. So I needed some scissors for my home, so I grabbed those, and I probably can use those for like craft. Also got some tea tree oil, and this was also just $1, and I needed some tea tree oil. So I feel like I got some really good stuff. It smells like some good tea tree oil. So yeah. And then I got just these sponges. I'm so upset because these sponges was $2.50, and I did not know that I paid $2.50 for these sponges until I got in my car and I was on my way home and I was looking at my receipt and I'm like, wait, what was $2.50? Because I got this on the dollar aisle, so I was not happy about that, and that's how come it took like the price up a little bit, because everything else was $1. So, and then I had got these because when I was at the register, my stuff came up to, it wasn't $25 before tax, so I had to just grab something while I was up there, and I grabbed these. I don't even eat candy like that at all, and these was $2.50. Oh child, I was mad when I got in the car and I was looking at this receipt. I'm like, $2.50 for some Skittles that I'm not even gonna eat. Like, I swear I'm not gonna eat these. I forgot to give them to my niece when I just seen her. That's what I got from my household essentials, and I think I did pretty good, honestly. Like, I think I really did pretty good. I don't have to buy laundry detergent for a while, or dish liquid, or toothpaste. And then I also have some stuff that I've been stacking up on: tissue, bleach, and everything. Like, so I'm good. It's a few more things that I really want to stack up on so that I won't have to shop as often, and that's my goal, and I'm happy about that. Now y'all, the real reason why I went out today was to go find shoes. I need some heels for this wedding that I'm going to in less than a month, and I did not find those shoes, and I was not happy about that. But I did end up getting me some flats, so when I get tired of wearing my heels at the wedding, because the wedding is like kind of like an all-day event type thing, whenever I'm tired of wearing my heels, I need a second pair of shoes. So I seen these sandals, and well, they're like flip-flops, and they were really cute, so I just grabbed these. They're gold, and yeah, let me try them on because I didn't try them on in the store. I think they're really cute, just kind of like slip on. I'm gonna show y'all the colors that I'm wearing so y'all can kind of get a feel. So yeah, this the shoe. She pretty. So now I just gotta find me a main shoe, and I'm scared because I'm like, dang, it's getting close to time and I ain't got no shoes. And I just want to show y'all, not gonna show y'all the dress, but I am going to show you the color, and I'm going to show you like the accessories. So this is the handbag. So if you kind of can see like the feel that I'm going for, the vibe that I'm going for, this is the clutch. She's pretty. Got her from Shein. Everything from Shein, child. And I think I'm gonna have to order some shoes off Shein. This is the bracelet. I don't know if I want gold shoes, but I just had to bring the stuff with me just to kind of like see. I feel like gold shoes would be just like way too much, but this is the bracelet, one of the bracelets. I'm about to look online and see. But this is the dress color. Okay, I do not know what color. I have no clue. Oh, khaki. They say it's khaki, but yeah. She's cute, so I'm going with gold accessories. I do not know what kind of shoes. I didn't even try on any because I just did not like any of the shoes. Like, some were cute, but they just were not the shoe type that I'm looking for. Like, I want a cute, girly, comfortable shoe. I do not like stilettos. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and set myself up or with no skinny heel. I'm just not gonna do it. And if it is going to be a skinny heel, I still want it to be comfortable, and I just didn't see any comfortable shoes. They didn't have any shoes in them all. It was a mess. But yeah, that's the stuff that I got for today. Let me go and stuff my face. So I'm trying to make me something really quick. I made my chicken, and I'm just gonna make like a pulled chicken sandwich. I got me some brioche buns over here that I done toasted up, and just putting some barbecue sauce on my chicken. I was being lazy, so I just put the chicken in the air fryer. And then I got me some chips. So something very quick. I overcooked my buns. I was yapping my mouth on the phone, but it's still gonna get ate. Yes, ma'am. Let me taste this before. It's okay. I wish I had me like some coleslaw or something. That would be so good. And I just got me a bag of chips. And then I got me some water. I'm about to take my apple cider vinegar supplement My last one for the day. Let me show y'all. Y'all want some? Y'all get the first bite. Let me see. I don't know about y'all. I like burnt food. I'm from the hood, so it's like the crispy edges on the bun. Like when I tell you, it set it off. But I'm not really about to do nothing, y'all. I'm just about to chill, honestly, and watch me a movie and just relax and try to enjoy the rest of my off day. Tonight, my sister's friend is having a going away party, so I might pull up. I might not. I don't know. We're gonna see. So I'm in my bed and I'm just watching a movie. Pretty tired. My feet hurt from walking and stuff, so I'm just about to chill, me and my dog, and just enjoy my Saturday. Honestly, I'm about to be lazy. I don't care because I was productive earlier, but yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so it's 7:30 at night and I'm on the way to my sister's friend's going away party. So
All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when we're
y'all, this is plate number 2. I had a plate at the party and I made sure to get me a to-go plate. Y'all, so good. I got jerk chicken, rice and peas, cabbage, and some pasta salad. I'm not really that hungry, but I do want to eat a little something. I'm not really sure, but for now, I'm just about to have this tea and get in my bed. Ooh, this hot. Riley says, hey, y'all. Say hi. Hey, YouTube. Hey, YouTube. And get out my face. She smelled that chicken on my breath. Yeah, guys, I honestly am not doing nothing for the rest of the night. It's really late. It's actually past my bedtime, but I'm about to have this tea, watch me a good movie, and enjoy the rest of my Saturday evening. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog, but it felt really good though to kind of like vlog again, even though I be forgetting that I'm vlogging. It was always my problem. Like, I be just so in the moment that I forget to actually vlog. I might start off like really good when I'm just going about my day-to-day and just, you know, living my life. I always forget, like, oh shoot, I was vlogging today. So there's just something that I have to get used to if I'm going to start vlogging again. And I don't know. I want it to be something different. I want it to be more like realistic as far as me setting a goal for myself, because I don't want to set a goal that's like so far-fetched to where it's not doable. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to set a doable goal when it comes to vlogging, because I'm an introverted person. I really don't do much at all. Like, I'm just like, I go to work and I come home, I have a dog. I don't really do too much shopping like that anymore. Yeah, I just be really chilling. So I feel like my life is not that exciting, right? So I always was never gonna, you know, like, and try to like vlog all the time, because I just feel like I don't have much to vlog about. That's just my personal intake on my life. I don't feel like my life is boring, but at the same time, to others, it definitely will be boring, because what excites me does not excite most people. Like, exciting to me is this right here, like just chilling and enjoying solitude and silence and peace and all of the things. Like, this is what excites to me. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I definitely want to start vlogging more. So I don't know if it'll be like weekly or if it'll just be like random. I want to kind of like do some aesthetic type of videos where I'm not really talking much, or maybe I'll do a voiceover or something like that. I don't know. I'm just going to pray about it and ask God to kind of like lead me, because I don't know, I feel like he's telling me to pick back up the camera. Like I feel like that's what he's doing, but I don't know what I want to do. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want to. I'm just yapping. I'm just yapping. Anyways, yeah, that was my day. I didn't really do too much of nothing. I didn't record at the party like that. Because I wasn't there that long, y'all. I really wasn't. I went, I ate. They was, you know, just doing stuff that I don't really do. I don't drink. I don't smoke or anything like that. So I didn't really have a real like reason to stay. I had a reason to be there, but I didn't really have a reason to stay. But I am glad that I went, and I'm glad that I'm back home. And yeah, I'm glad that I vlogged today. I'm just grateful. Make sure y'all drop in the comments some ideas and things that you guys would love to see more of, or what I should do to kind of like bring back the vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm excited for this next new chapter, because I'm definitely going to keep it going. How? I do not know. How often? I do not know. But what I won't do is stop and like just kind of like give up. If you like this video, make sure you please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I love you guys, and may God bless you all. Bye.